Hello, my name is George Gatanis. I'm an investor here at DLP Capital Partners. I heard Bobby Gunther Walsh on WAEB advertising it quite often, and it was something that my wife Robin and I became interested in. So that's where we initially heard about this investment opportunity. We heard from a number of people. We never heard anything bad. To this day, we haven't heard anything bad about it, and we've experienced nothing but good of it. But we felt comfortable after 3 meetings, comfortably enough for us to make some major investments. What I like most about it is being able to ignore the stock market. I laid awake nights a lot of times with previous investments that it would drop like a rock, and I have sleepless nights. Then it would go up, and I felt great. But when it went up, you know, it would eventually go back down. So just ignoring the stock market is a nice thing. I know I'm getting my 12%, and I don't think the funds that I'm in are anywhere near the risk that you have with the stock market. Actually, I just retired with the help of DLP. I just retired. I was in the engineering field for like 40 years with a sporting goods store thrown in there in between for a couple of years, but I just retired last month. I haven't taken a week for probably 10 years, and I've never taken 2 weeks off. So it was quite an adjustment for the last month. A good one, but nevertheless, it's probably more of an adjustment for Robin, my wife, having me home continuously. So I think it's going good. She hasn't left me yet, so I guess it's I guess it's going good. We intend on traveling. We have plans to do so. It gives us the freedom to travel. I never wanted a situation that when I retire, we'd be living from check to check and worrying about money. DLP has given us the opportunity to not only retire, but retire in a good way. So yes, we will be traveling, and I don't think, number one, I don't think I'd be able to retire when I did, if it was for DLP, and also retire, and retire in a good way in terms of having a good lifestyle. So that's one thing that DLP, the opportunity has offered us. Yeah, the only thing I regret is not getting into it sooner. You've probably heard it before, but just not not getting into it sooner. Because at my age, I'm 62 now, you don't have time on your side anymore. But again, DLP helped with that relative to the interest rates they offer.